Thinking about selling your home, but not sure what to expect? In this market, it's not just about listing your home, it's about strategy. A question I often get asked by sellers is about the timeline for selling their home. What should you expect? I may be newer to the real estate game, but I'm very focused on delivering professional and knowledgeable service. Hi, I'm Stefenia Thompson with the Freedom Group powered by Charter One Realty. First, we need to get your home ready for the market. It's really important not to rush this process and just throw it on the MLS before it's show ready. Preparing your home properly ensures that we're positioning it to attract the right buyers. After we meet and you decide to list with me, the first step is signing a little paperwork to solidify our agreement. Once we have that in place, my teammate and I will provide expert recommendations on how to enhance your home's appearance to get the best return on your investment. This is a crucial part of the process because staging can significantly impact both the price you get and how quickly your home sells. After your home is ready, we'll schedule a professional photographer and videographer to capture your home's best features. High-quality visuals are key to attracting potential buyers. Once we have the photos and videos, we'll begin our digital marketing strategy. This isn't just about putting up a sign or posting on the MLS. My approach is strategic and comprehensive, focusing on targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Many people don't realize that just posting on Facebook, for example, only reaches about 3% of your followers. We go beyond that to ensure maximum exposure. We'll also talk about whether it's beneficial to have any inspections done before going live on the MLS. Plus, I'll walk you through all of the disclosures so buyers are fully informed about your home's condition upfront, which helps speed up the process. When your home goes live, agents will start scheduling showings for their clients, and depending on the market and the time of year, the timeline for selling will vary. But rest assured, I'm here to negotiate the best deal for you. Again, I am Stefenia Thompson with the Freedom Group powered by Charter One Realty, and I'm here to help you through every step and always with a smile.